And we're back. You gotta love this one. This car is 130% perfect. It's a 2014 Impala LTZ 2LZ package with factory chromes, panoramic roof, navigation, backup camera, Sony sound, push button start, heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, beautiful gorgeous blue with the peanut butter leather. Wow, it's striking. Let's take a look. Not a scratch on it. 2-owner unit, executive owned, 80-some thousand miles on it, brand new Eagles on it, Eagle tires, non-smoker, navigation, heated steering wheel, dual zone digital climate, blind spot monitor, post crash. These do not last long here. They're in and out. This one is the nicest one I have seen, by far. Don't miss the opportunity to own this car at $1,595 down through our guaranteed credit approval program. That's a starting down payment for most folks. You're also going to get a 3-month, 4,500 mile service contract over the complete driveline, the guaranteed credit approval, and you're going to get the nicest Impala LTZ 2LZ in the whole city of Cleveland. And you're only going to find it here, DasCleveland.com.